right, strap in. Welcome back. Synergy the future. So we got CBDC could be possible within 3 years. Central bank digital currencies could replace cash globally by 2028. Physical cash could disappear as the central bank digital currencies replace money globally by 2028. And this could give governments unprecedented control over financial transactions and eliminating anonymous payments. Government controlled digital money, real time transaction tracking. CBDCs might enable governments to monitor every transaction as it happens. Cash elimination. Physical cash could vanish in most developed nations within 5 years. Instant monetary policy. Programmable digital currency allows immediate implementation of economic controls. Financial privacy transformation. New privacy frameworks, legal protections may emerge to safeguard financial privacy. Government visibility, complete transparency of personal spending could become standard. And that will be the end of anonymous transactions. Cash based privacy and purchases might become obsolete. Global economic system paradigm shift. Instant international payments, cross border transfers could become immediate and nearly free. Programmable money, new forms of economic control through rules embedded in currency. Revolutionize commerce. Interoperable CBDCs may transform global trade fundamentally. Current versus future payment systems. Current digital payments rely on intermediary banks, slower settlement times, higher transaction fees, limited government visibility. CBDC systems direct central bank issuance. That is, I don't know if it's ever good for central bank money, controlled money. Anyway, instant settlement, minimal or zero fees, complete transaction transparency. So the implementation timeline, multiple central banks have been piloting CBDC systems in controlled environments. And then several countries planning full implementation within 3 years. By 2028, potential global adoption with physical cash becoming rare and rare. So we do have a free PDF to try to mitigate some of this. Quantum. This is 7 industries that you could disrupt with quantum. The link's in the description. And if you want to go further, we have Quantum for Entrepreneurs. It's $47. And the link's in the description. So resistance and alternatives. Cryptocurrencies, private digital currencies may gain popularity as privacy alternatives, privacy movements, civil liberties groups could organize against financial surveillance. Local exchange systems actually may go around legislative pushback. Some governments may enact laws protecting cash usage in local exchange systems. Community based alternative currencies might emerge as CBDC alternatives. So, the takeaway from this is transformative potential. CBDCs could fundamentally change how money works globally by 2028. Privacy concerns. The end of anonymous transaction raises significant questions about financial privacy. Economic control, programmable money offers unprecedented tools for monetary policy and government oversight, and global implications on cross border commerce and international finance face revolutionary changes through CBDC adoption. All right, for more future, possible futures and technologies, you can watch more of our videos right above. We will continue to bring you more of the future at Synergy on this channel, Synergy, and learn more at synergythefuture.com. All right, we'll see you in the next one.